How to change username on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can change username on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change username on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and then just make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, tap the three lines option located at the top right, and then just tap the gear icon that you can find here. Once you tap the gear icon from the top right, just go to the option known as Account Center, and once you go to Account Center, go to Profiles. Then from Profiles, select your Facebook account. Once done, just tap on Username, and once you tap on Username, here you will be able to simply change your username. So we're not talking about our typical name but only our username, so you can select that, tap on Done button in order to change that. And this way you'll be able to change username on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.